Tonight, the government scorecard is out on the new GOP plan to repeal and replace Obamacare, what it would cost, and how many it would cover. The prediction? Ending Obamacare would mean 14 million more people would be uninsured next year. That's partly because many would decide to drop the coverage they're required to have now. The report also predicts individual premiums would spike about 15% before dropping in 2020. The analysis worse than early estimates by health experts, giving ammunition to Democrats.
Trump care means higher costs for less coverage.
The numbers may make it harder for the president to pitch the plan after his promises on the campaign trail.
So inexpensive for the people, so inexpensive for the country. I am going to take care of everybody.
But the administration's already dismissing these numbers from the Congressional Budget Office, a nonpartisan agency whose job is to figure out what any new piece of legislation would cost. Health Secretary Tom Price late today.
We disagree strenuously with the report that was put out.
The White House argues the Budget Office was wrong on Obamacare originally.
The last time they did this, they were wildly off.
That enrollment estimate ended up off by 30%, partly because the Supreme Court changed the expectation for expanding Medicaid coverage. Still, independent analysts found of all the estimates out there, the Budget Office came the closest.
The Congressional Budget Office's only job in life is to get the numbers as close to accurate as they possibly can be.
The numbers that matter most to 62-year-old Kim Quode, the ones on her insurance bill.
After Obamacare really started to set in, my insurance premium doubled.
Under the GOP proposal right now, the lifelong Republican would pay even more since she'd get less help from the government. Today's report also finds the Republican bill would cut the federal deficit by roughly $340 billion over the next decade, something House Speaker Paul Ryan is already citing in defense of the plan.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.